Hello students, today I am going to discuss the energy level diagram of HF molecule. In previous lecture I have discussed with you molecular orbital theory and energy level diagram of H2, helium, N2, O2 and heteronuclear diatomic molecule of NO. Today I am going to discuss the energy level diagram of HF, which is very exceptional case in your syllabus. This is the HF molecule. The bonding is very special whether there is a mixing of the orbitals. We will see. In case of HF molecule, firstly what we will do? The configuration. What is the configuration of H? 1s1. What is the configuration of F? 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. The bonding is impossible, but it is possible. हाउ कैसे पॉसिबल है ये आपको बताएंगे. S orbital, as we know that the S orbital is spherical in shape. What is the meaning of spherical? Charge density is uniform in all directions. That's why this is the spherical and symmetrical S orbital. As we know that only SS, PP orbital can combine, but in case of HF molecule, there is mixing of orbital will take place. Mixing of orbital, we can say that there is S and P will mix. Mixing of orbital will take place. So bonding is very impossible as we see 1s2 2s2. What is the, पहले हम bonding की बात कर लेते हैं. कैसे bonding होगी? 1s1. Here is 2p5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 electrons. Okay. As we know that the P having the 3 orbitals, px, py and pz. Pz in its internuclear axis, we can say that this is the horizontal axis, and there is the s orbital. Charge density is uniform in all direction. This is the p, px, py and pz orbital. Okay. So what is the chemistry of pz orbital? This is the chemistry of pz orbital. How they are combining? अगर just because of s orbital and pz orbital, there is a head-to-head overlapping will take place, and we can say that the mixing of the orbital will take place. One s orbital, other pz orbitals are mixing. Then the which bond is formed? What is the head-to-head overlapping? Sigma bond is formed. Sigma. Which orbital is this? S. Which orbital is this? Sigma sPz. This is the bonding will occur in case of HF molecule. Okay. Diagram देखिए कैसे बनाते हैं. In case of HF molecule, 1s2, 2s2, there is no bonding. So we can write here 1s2 and 2s2. This is the 1s2. सॉरी यहाँ पे 2s2 कर लेते हैं. यहाँ पे 1s2 और किसके ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं? F के हैं, F के हैं. और आप ये भी कह सकते हो these are non-bonding electrons. These are non-bonding electrons. This is also non-bonding electrons. Okay. We are making the energy level diagram. H यहाँ पर, F here. Okay. 1s1, only one electron. F. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Two atoms are combining, two bonding molecular orbitals in low energy level. This is the anti-bonding molecular orbital. This is the sigma sp the sigma anti-bonding sp-z orbital. Okay. Up, how to fill the electrons? One electron is from here and one electron is from here. Because of the energy and shape, energy is almost equal to the s and pz orbital, then that's why they are combining to form the molecular orbital, bonding molecular or anti-bonding molecular orbital. One electron is from here. Okay. These are also we can write here, these are also non-bonding electrons. What are the non-bonding electrons? Non-bonding electrons which are not take part in the bond formation. Because of it is very near to the nucleus, that's why due to the attractive forces due to the nucleus, these electrons cannot participate in the bond formation. Okay, so this is the HF. Why we are making the diagram like this? Okay, F is most electronegative in the periodic table. As we know, the F is the most electronegative element. The value is F is 4. And what is the electronegativity? Electronegativity का मतलब है कि it can reside with the bonding electrons. It has tendency to reside with the bonding electrons. या फिर कह सकते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी क्या है? इट कैन अट्रैक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन टूवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी ओर खींचता है. तो द डायग्राम लिटिल बिट लाइक दिस. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, bonding electrons are here and F is the most electronegative element, which is very highly electronegative element, which is most we should say this is the most electronegative element in the whole periodic table. It has tendency to reside with the bonding electrons. Why bonding electrons? Because bonding electrons are present in their low energy level. Why low energy level? Because low energy level is very stable. जितना आप लेस एनर्जी में रहेंगे आप उतने ही क्या होंगे? ज़्यादा स्टेबल होंगे. दैट्स वाई दिस इज द HF मॉलिक्यूल. दिस इज द एक्सेप्शनल केस. याद रखिएगा, आपको F के 1s2 2s2 ऐसे बनाने ही. दे आर नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन. आपको केवल ये बनाना है, H यहाँ रखना है, F यहाँ पर आपको मेंशन करना है. दिस इज द बॉन्डिंग, एंटी बॉन्डिंग. व्हाट विल बी द बॉन्ड ऑर्डर? Nb minus Na upon 2. 2 electrons minus 0 upon 2. 1. Okay. What will be the configuration? What will be the configuration? Only bonding molecular orbitals are having electrons, then sigma sp(z)2. And all the electrons are paired. That's why this is the diamagnetic. Please remember, these electrons are non-bonding electrons. इनको कभी आप मिलाइएगा नहीं. इन बॉन्ड्स को मिलाने का मतलब होता है कि बॉन्डिंग और एंटी बॉन्डिंग बन रहा है. ये केवल यहाँ पर ऐसा शो दिखाया जा रहा है कि देयर आर नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर प्रेजेंट. दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर दीज. ठीक है. दिस इज द बॉन्डिंग, दिस इज द नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. दिस इज द नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. कभी भी आप इसको इससे मिलाइएगा नहीं, अदरवाइज आपका पूरा जो डायग्राम है वो गलत हो जाएगा. ओके. तो दिस इज द HF molecule which is very important in your exams, in your sessional and semester exams. तो आपको bond order कैसे निकाला? Bond order 1, mixing of the orbital will take place, S and PZ. This is the S and this is the PZ. Sigma sPZ is formed. This is the special type of bonding, which is the mixing of the orbital. If there is bonding, then there should be anti-bonding molecular orbital will take place. Okay. So got it? All of you got it? My diagram of the HF molecule. It is very important. Okay. ठीक.